You can see the snow blowing in the light there. It's very heavy snowfall. Just to the south of here, freezing rain. We're getting the snow portion this time. Look at it come down out here, folks. This is Montcalm County, Michigan. And I'm streaming this snowstorm for you all. You can kind of pan the other way at the risk of getting snow on the lens. There you can see it coming right at you there. Heavy snowfall occurring right now. And hello to everybody all around the world watching this right now. I'm glad I can bring you some live footage. Now see, we have some snow piles here too. Those are about 12 footers over there. Those are from all the snow and ice storms that we've had so far. There's a few more mountains of snow over here plowed up in the parking lot. See somebody plowing there. I'm gonna see if we can get closer. Maybe we can see him go by here. There's probably some snow on the lens. People are just going to work. This is morning rush hour out here. There they go. They're plowing the snow with a front end loader there. Or actually, that's a Kubota tractor with an attachment on it. Plowing the drive here. There's a plow truck right there. You can see the blinking lights. County plows. This is quite a storm. This is only the beginning. It's going to snow for a few more hours yet. We're expecting at least 6 inches of snow up here. Plowing right on the other side of the mounds there. Pushing it up. Once again, I want to thank everybody for tuning in. It's really awesome. There we go. They're plowing right here. Wave at them. How you doing? Yeah. Hey, man. How's it going? I'm live streaming right now.
Sweet.
Actually. Yeah.
Enjoy the weather. It's beautiful out.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, finally getting some work with the snow.
Oh man,
it's a lot better than the ice we've been having.
Yeah, that's a good time. No power was a riot.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you have a good day, brother.
Yeah, you too.
See you guys.
Yes, stay safe. That's a buddy of mine. He plows around this area. That's pretty cool. See your friends out here. But there's a county plow right over there. You can see at the tip of my finger there. That's Montcalm County Road Commission. And they are getting ready to go out here. I'm seeing them everywhere. There's a lot of people tuning in. This is really cool. I'm gonna get back in the car and do some filming.
Yeah.
Oh, this is beautiful. Holy. Oh my god.
Oh my God!
Oh my god, that is wrapping up.